Generating email follow-up sequences. About. Chat GPT can be a useful tool for generating email follow-up sequences. By providing the model with some initial context, such as the purpose of the email, the recipient's name, and any relevant details from previous communications, Chat GPT can generate a series of follow-up emails that are tailored to the specific situation. ChatGPT's ability to understand natural language and generate human-like responses makes it a valuable resource for anyone looking to automate the follow-up email process. Hi ChatGPT, I'm looking for your help with crafting a follow-up email sequence for client name in the industry name industry. They've shown interest in our product service name, and I would like to provide them with more information on the unique features and benefits. Could you suggest some creative ways to structure the sequence, taking into account their specific needs and preferences, and the latest industry trends in industry name? Hey ChatGPT, I recently sent an email to recipient name, inviting them to an upcoming event, but I haven't received a response yet. Could you assist me in drafting a follow-up sequence that gently reminds them of the event and encourages them to attend? I would like the emails to sound friendly and professional, while highlighting the value of attending the event. Please also consider including special offer incentive to further entice them to attend. Hello ChatGPT, I'm following up on a job application that I submitted last week to company name for the position of job title. Can you recommend a series of emails that I can send to the HR department that demonstrate my enthusiasm for the position and highlight my relevant skills and experience? Please keep in mind the company culture and values when generating the responses, and consider including testimonial, reference, from a previous employer or colleague. Greetings ChatGPT, I'm looking to build a strong relationship with a new contact name, in the industry name industry. I want to send them a series of emails that introduce myself, provide some value, and eventually set up a call to chat more. Could you assist me in generating some creative ideas for this sequence, using the latest industry news and trends? Please also consider including personal anecdote, story, to make the emails more engaging and relatable. Hi ChatGPT, I need to follow up with a customer name, who has a support issue that needs resolving. Can you help me draft a series of emails that empathize with their situation, provide helpful information and resources, and ultimately lead to a satisfactory resolution? Please make the responses sound polite and empathetic, while addressing the customer's concerns in a clear and concise manner. Additionally, please consider including extra resources, to show the customer that we care about their satisfaction and want to go the extra mile to help them. Tips. Give ChatGPT some initial context to work with. Providing relevant details such as the purpose of the email, recipient's name, and any relevant details from previous communications can help ChatGPT generate more accurate and helpful responses. Don't be afraid to edit and refine the responses. While ChatGPT can generate a series of emails, it's ultimately up to you to edit and refine the content to make it more tailored to the specific situation. Test the follow-up sequence with a small sample audience first. Before sending the follow-up sequence to a large audience, test it out with a small group first. This can help you identify any areas that need improvement and ensure that the emails are well received by the intended audience.
If you liked this video and don't want to miss the next ones, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications.